Hello, and welcome to my channel. I am Lucinda Marie, and welcome to another FabFitFun video. I'm always excited to open these up. I've been doing these for about 4 years. Super stoked about what's in my fall box. Let's go ahead and open it up. Of course, it comes in a really cute box. It's fall themed, obviously. Let's turn around and let's see what's inside. Okay, so right off the bat, oh, look how really pretty the inside looks. So cute. Autumn leaves everywhere. I really like that a lot. All right, so right off the bat, they do have the FabFitFun magazine. You can find tips and tricks on how to use your products, even talks about health and beauty, and they even sometimes even have, I did sneak a peek in here, and I did see there were recipes in here to make certain food. And we have this, get 50% off your first month. And this is Nourish by Nature Made. It looks like it is some sort of beauty for your hair, I'm guessing. Oh, nutrition actually. Personalized nutrition delivered monthly. I will be looking into that. It's pretty good. Gotta stay healthy. All right, let's see what is in this. All right, they always have about 3 or 4 items that you can customize. I don't remember what I customized. I guess I'll remember when I see them. But let's see this. It's called twobandits.com. So you can go to twobandits.com to see what these are. And let's see what this one is. All right. I don't even know what this is. Oh, I did customize this. I knew this was coming. Or I think I do. I'm not really sure. Anyway, this is very interesting. It's a catch-all tray. It's a tiered catch-all tray. Okay, and it's plastic. So this is what it looks like on the inside of the first one. And it looks like you can stick things out. So if you have odd and end rings, earrings, pennies, I don't know, whatever floats your boat, you can probably just stick that in there and have that sitting on your table or even your bathroom if you want to put makeup in there. There you go. That's cool. It kind of has sort of like a felt-like feel on the inside. Very interesting. Yeah. I'm not sure how I feel about this, to be honest, but it's very, very interesting. All right, there we go. We'll give it that. Okay. Let's see what else we have in here. Okay. Ooh, of course I had to go for this. I did, yes, this is one of the ones that I customized. So it comes in this cute little pouch. I forget what it was. I think it's like a necklace or a bracelet of some sort. I'm excited. It's by Coach. So you know that let's back this up because I'm stumbling over words now. So being that this box is $50, you gotta think about this. All of these items, a lot of times your box can range anywhere from $200 to about $500. And you know how expensive Coach can be. And the fact that you're getting it in a box that's only worth $50, that's pretty amazing. All right, let's see what's in here. Okay. Ooh, and it even comes with the authenticity little booklet. Oh yes, yep. Yeah, it's an authenticity thing, and it also talks about how to care for your Coach jewelry. Oh, this is really awesome. Very cool. All right, so there's that. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, they're so cute. They're so cute. Go ahead and look at that. It is a really cute little necklace, very simplistic, rose gold. So the earrings and the necklace are rose gold. The earrings are actually a little flower. Very adorable, so simple, and very, very, very pretty. I like that. I will definitely be wearing that. What I do like about the earrings and the necklace, they have cute little, I don't know, diamonds per se that are in the middle of each little thing. It's very cute. I love that. I love that. I'll be definitely wearing that. To be honest, I love all the jewelry that FabFitFun sends to me. I always wear them. They're so cute. All right, so the next thing is we got Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture CC Cream. It's a 10-in-1 complete correction leave-in. Very interesting. So there you go. So I think that, okay. This is for your hair. Okay, this is for your hair. All right, because it says multi-benefit treatments for, okay, there we go. Yes, helps protect hair color from UV rays. Oh, this is so perfect, especially since you see I have awesome pink and purple hair. That will go well. Yep, love it. Very cool. Next thing here. Oh, this is so cute. It's a deodorant, but look how tiny and adorable that is. So adorable, so cute. It's a Dove Advanced Care Moisturizer with natural oil, and it is a dry spray, and it seems like it's like a cucumber smell. Very interesting. Guess my armpits will be smelling like cucumber from now on. All right, so I don't know what this is, but we need to open it up. Ooh, okay, so it says Heineken 0.0 alcohol, 100% taste. Ooh, 21 plus. So what is this in here? Let's see. Hashtag now you can. Okay. Oh. Let's see what this is. Look at that. It is a little tiny 0.0% alcohol free. This is really interesting. Okay, I've never seen one that tiny before. That is so interesting. I'm perplexed right now. Okay, because Heineken is an alcohol, and it doesn't say. It says 0.0% alcohol free, so this means there's no alcohol in here. So it's probably doesn't even say it has proof. So it definitely is 0.0, I'm guessing. But very interesting. I've never had something like this be in a FabFitFun box. So there you go. All right, that'll be interesting to try. Okay. Oh, I am really excited to try this. Look at this. It is a, I don't even know how to say it, Arha's Your Home blanket. It's a waffle blanket. So it's not gonna be like super soft, but it will be textured. And I think it'll be really cute, especially for fall weather, to like be cozy in this. So even though it's not super soft, I was really excited. I didn't know that this was gonna be coming to me. This was in one of my customizations, if I'm even saying that right. But there you go, it's a really cute. I do like the blanket. Oh, this is gonna be really awesome. I will definitely be using this. You can never have too many blankets in your living room, never. All right, next thing. We have the Pearlise. They really come up with interesting names. So it's called the Pearlise Pumpkin and Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. Very awesome. We need to open this so you can see how big the actual thing is. So you know they're actually giving you full-size products. And that's what I really like about FabFitFun is their full-size products. So there you go. And it says pumpkin is a powerful antioxidant loaded with vitamin C to protect from signs of aging. And ginger helps reduce inflammation and evens skin tone, and the white clay tightens the skin and purifies pores. There you go. Very awesome. Okay. Now we have, ooh, what is this? Kors. Kors is a really good brand. I've actually been into their store before when I was near Disney. I was in Disney. Near Disney? In Disney? Disney Springs. There you go. I was at the Kors near Disney Springs. Really cute place. I really like that. Anyway, it says this is a Santorini grape. And it's a renewing body cleanser. Oh, interesting. Body, not just for your face. All right, I will have to look more into that then when I do go to use it. There we go. Okay, and we will, ooh, okay. So here we go. I am big into makeup, However, I don't use a lot of fancy tools when it comes to makeup. And this here is, I'm not even saying things right now, but this right here is an eyelash thing. So this will be my first time ever using one of these. Maybe this will make my eyelashes more fuller. When I do not have makeup on, my eyelashes are not very dark and they're not very thick at all, so they're not very prominent. So maybe by curling them, this will make them more prominent and you'll be able to see them more. Who knows? But with mascara on, you can see them more. I just maybe curl them up and make them look longer. That would be pretty awesome. But there you go. It's pretty awesome. And it's by Babe Lash Pro Lash Lifter. So maybe that'll work. I can't wait to try it. There we go. Next thing is this. And this is for wine. So for those of you that do like wine a lot, this gives you a $60 credit. I do believe this is a monthly description. Jeez. I meant to say subscription. If you do like to get wine, then you can go ahead and do that if you'd like to do that. Last but not least, we do have Dr. Rogers Restore a Lip Balm. With the fall seasons, you cannot go wrong with a restoring lip balm. And yeah, yep, just your normal lip balm. It is a clear, it looks like, very cute, very clear. All right, so there you go. You can never go wrong with a lip balm that does help to restore any moisture that you might be losing in the coming months with fall and winter coming up. So there you have it. If you do like this FabFitFun box, go ahead and try it out for yourself. And if you did like this video, don't forget to give me a humongous big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down there. Hit that bell notification so you can see every single time that I post, and I will see you next time.